Sorry, this is turning into the 20-part series. I'm having a problem with my phone today. So anyways, how much ham? In my particular case, I've got 2 cups of ham. And it has a lot to do with the fact of how much did I have left over. You could put as little as half a cup of ham into a double batch, 1/4 cup of ham if you want it. Or in my case, I've got much more, so I'm going to put 2 cups of ham in there. So I've got a cup of bacon and a cup of ham. And we're just going to fold these all in. And as you can see, the profile of this is changing a lot. And so we've got much more meat that's now in the mixture. Again, you could have just straight veggie pie. Was asked about carrots. You can put carrots in it, but be careful. Carrots will make it quite sweet very quickly. Even a little bit of carrots in it will do that. You can also use jalapenos, various different peppers. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to put these into the buttered, in our case buttered, but you could just be sprayed with Pam or something, into the pie plates. Into the pie plates. This is usually what I call when panic mode sinks in the first time you make this. And that's people will go, oh, I don't have enough. There's not enough liquid in there. I don't think this is going to work. What about a crust? Well, it's the Bisquick and the milk and cream, in my case, and eggs that are going to provide the crust. And this mixture, when it hits the oven, is going to start to solidify it, I would say, into this omelet, from an omelet state or a mixed up to a quiche. Is going to happen fairly quickly. So we're going to put it in 400 degrees for 45 minutes. You can test, put your toothpick in to make sure it's cooked, but it will definitely change its consistency right now, or from where it is right now. Here's something that I almost never do. So this is after 15 minutes. And notice, if you remember what it looked like before, we had, it looked like the moisture wasn't going to be enough to get through to one side or the other to give you a right quiche. So I'm going to just take that one out for a sec so we can look at the second one. And you'll notice that it's already starting to form. All the mixture of Bisquick and eggs and cream are starting to meld into everything else and puff up. And that's going to give you a nice crust. We're 30 minutes in here. Let's just have a look as we fog everything up. Look at how nice that's turning out. Still isn't done. I can tell without stabbing it in the middle that it needs a little bit more time. But you can see that the crust is nicely formed, and it went from veggies not even covered to looking like it's going to be a quiche. And here we go. 45 minutes. And have a look. Just pull one out and put the little devil here. And there we are. 45 minutes and done. Nice crust, not crust, nice crust. We're going to let those sit for 10 minutes, and then we'll serve them up.